Hi everyone, in this video we will filter a list or we will search in a list using JavaScript. Okay, so it is a list with us which we have created. So now let's write something here. Catch, okay, just this. Okay, it is filtering of a list using JavaScript. So let's get started. To create this filtering or searching a list. So to filter a list or search in a list, first we will create a list. So let's assign a title to this. Filter search a list. Let's we have two files, filter.html and CSS. First we will link this CSS file with our HTML file, and let's write some CSS code. Design padding should be 0 pixel for all, and margin should be for all 0 pixel, and box sizing should be border box, and same to that. The body color we should change that. Background color should be white in this design. Let's refresh it. See, that has changed. So let's first of all create an input field. Type is text, ID is equal to my input, and whenever we write something in this an input field, we should call this, we will use this event, okay, to call a function. My input, we will call this function when we are writing something in this. And let's create a list. Let's assign a class name, my UL, and let's create a link. This should be we have created this list. So now I will use CSS to design it, okay. Yes, let's use CSS here. First of all, my input field width should be 100%, and the padding here should be 20 pixel for the body. Padding should be 6 pixel. It looks like this, and also font size should be 15 pixel. So now let's design it. My UL list style type is none. Decoration none. So whenever we write something here, so we should filter our list. So let's perform this functionality. We have created this function, my input. So now let's create that in script, JavaScript script function Here first I will get the value that I am entering. Okay, value is equal to document that get element by id. Okay, my input that value, and after that I will get my this. Okay, ul is equal to document dot get element, or we can write query selector dot my ul, and after that we will get these links. Okay, li ul dot get elements by tag name, li. After getting that, now we will perform operation on that. So let's use for loop for that. For I is equal to 0, I was less than the li dot length I plus plus. Now we will get the a link. Okay, a is equal to var a is equal to li the I dot get element by tag name. Tag name is a, the 0 index. Okay, the first one. And now we will perform operation on this a. If a dot inner html dot index I html dot to lowercase dot index of value that we got. Okay, dot to lowercase was greater than -1. It means if there was the value that we are filtering, searching, inputting, if that was existed in this inner html, in this a tag. Okay, so we will just write li the I dot display dot style dot display is equal to nothing, otherwise we will just display none that. So now let's check it. Refresh it, for example. It didn't call my input. On input, my input value. Let's first call. Just refreshed it. Not perform the operation, didn't up. The problem is that this should be outside of this box, this parenthesis. Okay, it should be here. Okay, after outside of this index of function. So now let's refresh it and let's write, for example, C kh just in these two. And if you write something like Sami, okay, if you write AR, if you write A, just this which has A is okay. So it was all about filtering and list in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.